welcome to Charm Love by Carolyn. Today, Charm Fam, I will be making a Lucky Elephant Jade bracelet for you all. It's going to be on stretch cord, of course. It's my favorite thing to do. And we're going to be using this Lucky check glass elephant that I got. I got this from Bargain Bead Box. Yeah, this is what we're going to be using today. And of course, we're going to be using these Jade beads I got from Amazon. These silver spacers I also got from the Bargain Bead Box. A Tibetan bail. We're going to be using a jump ring and a little ball head pin. And for tools, it's really not going to be much. My one-step looper, or if you all are making this along with me and you would prefer to do a wire wrap loop, that is also fine. Maybe we will need some nippers, and of course just some bent chain nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and round nose pliers, just in case we need it, Charm Fam. But I don't think we're going to need that today because this is going to be a really simply strong bracelet. All right, Charm Fam, I'm going to get these taken out of the little trays, and I shall return shortly and we can get started with our bracelet. All right, Charm Fam, I am back. And I also decided, while I was straightening everything out, I decided to use these two little Tibetan spacers as well. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, I decided to use these two as well. And of course, I forgot to mention, I have my makeshift bead stopper. And of course, we got to have my ruler, of course. All right, Charm Fam, let us get started. Simple, simple, simple. First of all, any new subscribers that subscribe to my channel, you are very much appreciated. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy my videos. All right, Charm Fam. Now, like I said, simple. And as for your listening pleasure, I have music in the background just in case of quiet time, because I'll be trying to find the holes on these things. All right, Charm Fam, but we're going to get started, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to place on my little Tibetan spacer that I decided to use at the very last moment. I'm just going to place that on. Next, I'm going to take my jade bead, place it on. Then I'm going to take one of these little silver spacer beads and just place that on as well. Now, you can see, Charm Fam. Let me get y'all down here to see what I'm doing. Okay, and like I said, this is just going to be simple, simple, simple. I had nothing else better to do today, Charm Fam. So, and besides, me and my daughter, we have an event, a vendor's event coming up in July, and I really need to get making on some things. I have plenty of stuff made, but the group that we're going to be around, they're more into gemstones, which I don't mind. I love, and honey, I will sit here and I will make a stack of gemstone bracelets for them. So yeah, I have to start making on that as well. And why not start here and share it with you all? So now we're just gonna place on another jade bead. My nails have gotten so long, Charm Fam, it'd be hard to pick up these beads. Then we're going to put on a little silver spacer. I know I have more cord than I need, but like I said, more is better than less, and trying to add on is no fun. I haven't had to do that. Well, I've had to do that with some wire. Nah, that's no fun, Charm Fam. So I say use more than you need to and save the rest. All right, Charm Fam, we're just gonna continue threading on our beads. We're just gonna continue the pattern, a spacer and a jade bead. Whoops. Bring that down. And we're just gonna continue going. Comment in the comments below, Charm Fam. How is everyone doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine. No troubles. How was your Easter? I tell you, my daughter got me out of the house. She got me out of the house. And I told all my co-workers, I'm like, I'm not doing anything on Easter. I'm not doing nothing on Easter. Oh, no, I'm afraid I lied. But you know what? I had fun. I really had fun. Me, her, and some of her friends, we went to this really nice restaurant here called Seasons 52. And this is our second time going because for her birthday, that's where we went. And let me tell you, it is a really, really nice restaurant. I don't know if I mentioned that previously, but yeah, it's a really nice restaurant. The food is really, really awesome. You should try it. I mean, if you live in Memphis and you haven't been, please go. If you pass by Memphis, or if anyone is coming to Memphis and need a good place to eat, please go try Seasons 52. It is a really nice restaurant. The atmosphere is really nice and chill. But yeah, and I had fun yesterday, and oh my, I was full after I came home. I didn't take a nap though, because I was sitting up thinking about stuff, trying to get stuff together, thinking what I need to order for our vendors event. But yeah, I really had a nice time yesterday. Even though, like I said, I wasn't going to do nothing. I was just going to be here and be lazy. But my baby girl was like, Mama, we having none of that. We have none of that today, Mama. But yeah, all right, Charm Fam. This is what we've got so far. We have our Tibetan spacers, then our little spacers, and our jade beads. Yeah, I'm just going to keep stringing this right along. I don't know how far I've gotten so far, because I will string and string, and I'll have a 10-inch bracelet, and honey, nobody can wear that. So after I put this on, I'm gonna pull out my trusty dusty ruler and see where I am. All right, Charm Fam, let's see here. Let's me if I can get some of this stuff out of the way, organized. Let me see. Okay, Charm Fam, I'm about right at almost 5 inches. So what I'm going to do, Charm Fam, I'm just gonna keep stringing this bracelet off camera, and I'll be right back with you all, and we can just finish it up together. All right, Charm Fam, I'm back. I have finished stringing my bracelet. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to put my little charm together for my veil, which is going to be really simple. What we're going to do, and I saved a jade bead to put on my head pin. What we're going to simply do, I'm going to just place it on like so, just like so. Let me get y'all down here. All right, we're just going to place our head pin on just like so. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to place on our little elephant. And like I said, Charm Fam, if y'all were making this along with me, you can do a wrapped loop. But I don't think I have enough, and I'm not really good at wrapping little pieces of wire. So what we're going to do, Charm Fam, I'm just going to take my looper and I'm going to make a loop. I'm just going to place that in like so, and I'm just going to squeeze. And there, I have my loop. Real simple, real easy, Charm Fam. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this little part up right here. I'm going to take my bail and I'm going to place my charm directly to my bail. If I can get it on there, Charm Fam. Okay, hold on. Maybe I need to open that up a little bit more. And there we go. Like I said, Charm Fam, that's why I have music for your listening pleasure in case of technical difficulty. Y'all won't be left lonely. All right, Charm Fam, that's all I've done. Let me show you. Okay, I opened up my little ring before I completely closed everything up, and I added it directly to my bail. Just like so. All right, Charm Fam, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my little makeshift off, and we're just gonna simply finish this off by tying a knot. Get this all sorted down here like that. First, we're gonna add our charm, and this way we can hide our knots in the bail. All right, Charm Fam. Now, we're going to just simply take our bracelet and we're just going to tie a knot. First, we're going to do a surgeon's knot. Go once, then come back through again. And then we're just going to pull. And then, for extra measure, extra security, you can once and then twice, if you so choose to, just for extra measure. And then, as you can see, our knot is already hidden in the bail. It's already hidden in there, Charm Fam. You can't even see it. And the next thing you want to do, also remember, you can always put some hypo cement or some kind of glue onto your knot, just for extra measure. And all right, Charm Fam, what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to clip my cord. All right, and see, and there you have it. Okay, and move some of this stuff out the way. All right, Charm Fam. Okay, there we are. Now, our bracelet is complete. Our lucky Jade elephant charm bracelet. So fun, so much fun, so pretty, and so very simple to do. All right, Charm Fam, once again we have come to the end of our video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much, and I certainly hope you enjoyed watching me make this bracelet today. New subscribers, new viewers, I appreciate you so very much. And any new viewers that have stopped by, if you have not, please go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment in the comments below. I appreciate it, and I try and read every comment, and I surely get back to each and every one of you as fast as I can. All right, Charm Fam, that was our video for today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all so very much for watching, liking my videos, and until next time, Charm Fam, much love to you all, and you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.